In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simplify conversion tracking in Google Analytics by focusing on the actions that actually matter to your business. To get started, open Google Analytics and go to the admin area. From there, under Data Display, select Events. This is where you can review the events coming in through your data stream, including both important conversions and smaller interactions that may not be useful for reporting. Instead of treating every user action as a conversion, focus on your core business outcomes. For example, a completed purchase or a generate_lead event is usually far more valuable than minor actions like button clicks or scroll activity. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now review the events in the list and identify the ones that represent meaningful results for your business. For each high-value action, toggle it on to designate it as a key event. You might enable purchase for e-commerce sales or generate_lead if your main goal is collecting leads. Keeping key events limited to your most important outcomes makes your conversion reporting cleaner, easier to understand, and more useful when you're evaluating performance. And that's it. You've simplified conversion tracking in Google Analytics by marking only your highest value actions as key events.